Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Fine-Tuning LLMs. Teaching your AI intern specific company knowledge. Imagine you've hired a brilliant new intern. They're super smart, know a lot about the world, and can learn quickly. That's essentially what a large language model, LLM, is, a super smart digital brain trained on a huge amount of general internet text. It can write, summarize, answer questions, and even code. But here's the catch. Your intern, as brilliant as they are, doesn't know the specifics of your company, your products, or your unique way of doing things. They have general knowledge, not specific company knowledge. Your general-purpose AI intern is great for common tasks. But if you ask them about Project Alpha's specific requirements or how we handle customer returns for widget X, they'd be lost. Why? Because that information wasn't in their initial general training. We could try to paste all our company documents into every question we ask the AI. This is like giving your intern a huge binder to read every single time they answer a question. But that's inefficient, expensive, and often hits limits on how much information the AI can process at once. We need a better way to make them truly productive for us. This is where fine-tuning comes in. Think of fine-tuning as giving your brilliant but generic intern a specialized, intensive training program focused entirely on your company. You're not teaching them how to be an intern from scratch. They already know that. Instead, you're teaching them how to be an intern specifically at your company. You're updating their brain with your specific jargon, policies, and knowledge, making them truly yours. From a developer's perspective, fine-tuning involves a few steps. 1. Start with a pre-trained LLM. This is our smart intern, a powerful base model like GPT-3, Llama, etc., that already knows general language patterns. 2. Gather your custom data. This is your company's unique information. Think internal documents, customer support chats, product descriptions, codebases, meeting transcripts. This data needs to be structured as examples. E.g., question: how do we reset a password for a premium user? Answer: follow steps A, B, C. 3. Feed the data. You send this custom data to the LLM during a special training phase. The AI then makes slight adjustments to its internal connections, called weights or parameters, to better understand and generate responses based on your specific information and patterns. It's like the intern getting hands-on experience and feedback on company-specific tasks. Just as you wouldn't give a new intern a chaotic pile of papers and expect them to learn. The quality of your training data is paramount. For developers, this means collecting relevant data. What specific tasks do you want your AI to excel at? Cleaning and formatting. Ensure your data is accurate, consistent, and structured correctly, often in input-output pairs or conversation turns. For example, if you want your AI to answer customer questions, you'd provide many examples of customer question, correct answer, quantity and quality. You need enough examples to teach the AI effectively, and they must be high quality. Garbage in, garbage out applies here. If your training data is bad, your fine-tuned AI will reflect that. Once fine-tuned, your AI intern becomes incredibly valuable. Enhanced accuracy. It provides much more precise answers related to your specific domain, reducing errors, better understanding of niche terminology. It now speaks your company's language, understanding internal jargon, product names, and specific operational procedures. Improved efficiency. It can handle tasks that previously required a human expert, like generating specific product descriptions, drafting internal memos, or assisting customers with highly specialized queries. Freeing up your team. Personalized interactions. It can interact with users in a way that feels consistent with your brand voice and internal policies. You might have heard of prompt engineering, giving the AI very detailed instructions in its initial query. Prompt engineering. Asterisk like telling your intern exactly how to do one specific task each time you ask them. Please summarize this document, focusing only on the financial figures. This is good for one-off tasks or when the AI only needs a small piece of context. Fine-tuning. Asterisk like training your intern to understand all financial documents, so you can later just say, summarize this document, and they know what to look for without ultra-detailed instructions. Fine-tuning builds a deeper, more permanent understanding into the model itself, making it inherently better at specific tasks over the long run. Even with simpler prompts, use fine-tuning when deep, consistent domain-specific knowledge is crucial. Fine-tuning LLMs is a powerful technique for developers to transform general-purpose AI models into specialized tools that deeply understand and expertly handle your unique company data and tasks. It's about taking a brilliant generalist and turning them into an invaluable specialist, ready to boost productivity and innovation within your specific domain. This opens up a world of possibilities for building highly tailored AI applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.